slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't have
Hey, welcome back guys to the new video. I hope you guys are enjoying my content and the videos I have been making. Also, I would like to also thank you for the people that have been subscribing and liking my videos. And I also hope you guys are learning something new from my channel. I think that's one of the biggest goal from my channel, that I want to teach you guys or share the information that I'm finding by doing the research for myself. My goal is that I want to share that information with you guys so you can also benefit and you don't have to really do the same research, stuff like that. So anyway, in this video I will be doing the unboxing of this new drone that I purchased from DJI directly. There are few things that you guys may not know, and that is one of the reasons. I mean, of course, if you look up this DJI Mini 2 on YouTube or anywhere, you will find thousands and thousands of video for unboxing. But this is slightly different, and the reason I'm doing it because this is a refurbished unit, by the way. I mean, you see a lot of videos online, but I don't think there is any video of unboxing of doing the refurbished unit, which of course separates my video from others. And my goal is to basically show you guys and also see for myself what to expect when you order the refurbished unit directly from DJI. So there are a couple of very I think amazing things or very cool stuff I found when I was ordering this unit. A couple of things. The very first thing is, of course, I believe this RB stands for refurbished. Again, I don't know for sure, but I don't think when you buy the brand new unit, or I should say, condition as new one don't say RB unit. I believe the RB stands for refurbished. That's what my hunch is. So there are two things. One, I never knew before ordering this unit that you can order refurbished unit from DJI directly. Yes, you can buy on eBay, maybe Amazon, you can buy on Best Buy, maybe other stores, maybe I think Walmart as well, I don't know. But I never knew or thought about it that you can buy the refurbished unit directly from DJI directly. And of course there's a free shipping, so you don't have to worry about the shipping. Second, I live in Nebraska, right? The weird thing is, if you buy this drone from any store, you pay 6 or 7% sales tax, right? You have to pay the taxes. Now, the very strange thing that I found, and I'm going to show you the website as well in just a minute. The very strange thing is, when you buy this drone from DJI directly, I did not pay any taxes, So the price they're selling this drone for is $309, which I think is amazing because this is a fly more combo. So this comes with a bag and 2 extra batteries and those little charger looking thing where you slide those all 3 batteries all at once and you can charge it. I think it's called two-way charging hub or something. So yeah, it comes with the charging hub or whatever. Where is the picture? Yeah, here is a little pictures. I don't know if you can see it, but there's all sort of like a thing, all the cables and all the basic stuff. So anyway, before I unbox this puppy, I'm gonna basically show you on my computer the entire purchasing process if you are interested in buying similar one. Also, another cool thing is, not cool, I mean, DJI also sell refurbished unit on eBay. Maybe I'll put a screenshot. They don't sell DJI Mini 2, they sell DJI Mini 2 SE on eBay, by the way, for $200, $199. They don't have fly more combo, and I was interested in fly more combo because if you do a math, buying extra 2 batteries and a charger and a bag and things like that, I mean, it's going to be more than that. So I figured this is a better deal than buying non-fly more combo and buying extra battery pack and stuff like that. Now, if you buy this on eBay, you pay taxes, which is so freaking strange. Same unit, now, well, you can't buy the same one, I mean, if you buy DJI Mini 2 SE fly more combo on eBay, you pay taxes. Now, yes, it may not be that much, but when you're buying $200-300 worth of item, you're talking still $20-30 in taxes, which is quite high. But of course, shipping is still free. So yeah, but yeah, when I bought this thing on DJI website, I was like, oh, maybe I have to pay the taxes on the last checkout page, right? That's what they say, sales tax are calculated on the checkout page. And no, I don't see any freaking taxes. I also called them. I said, hey, I live in Nebraska. do I pay taxes on this? And they were like, no, there is no taxes. And I'm like, wow, that's very freaking strange. On $310, you're saving like 25 bucks. So anyway, let's go back on my PC. I'm going to show you the exact way how you can order this drone on the PC, and we will go from there. And yeah, I mean, I'll show you the whole process. If you're interested, you're most welcome to order yourself. I mean, right now, as of what, September 2024, this drone is still selling refurbished on their website. I mean, you can look at it. It's fully sealed, guys, like fully sealed. I mean, beautiful packing. I mean, I was expecting to be a open box. That's what I was thinking. Refurbished means like, they're repaired or things like that. This is the DJI certified. They're certified fully seal packed drone. I mean, beautiful. So yeah, I mean, that's what I want to do. So yeah, let's go back on my PC. Let's watch how to order this puppy, and we will be back. Yeah, we'll see you guys in a minute. All right, guys. So here we are on my PC now. To basically order the refurbished drones, you simply have to type DJI refurbished drones. This is what you have to type in Google, because the website name is store.dji.com. Now, when you go their official website, which is dji.com, I didn't see any option for, refurbished drones, which I can even show you here. So just go on dji.com like here. I mean, I can see down there, but see here, I really don't see like something on the top screen, stuff like that. I'm sure if you deep down somewhere, it'll be located, but I didn't see anything like, yeah, I don't see anything like top of the screen. So I think the easier will be if you just type DJI refurbished drones. So the website name is store.dji.com. So when you click on this, look at that. You can simply see official refurbished. Now this is where you will be going if you want to order the refurbished unit, which you will see is basically brand new. You click on this puppy, then you come down and look at that. So Mini 2 SE is refurbished for $225, and the Mini 2, which is of course 4K resolution, yeah, this one is $229, only like $4 extra. So you click on this, and right inside that's where you see Fly More combo. So of course the Mini 2 is out of stock, like you can see. Fly More combo is $309. That's the one I ordered. I mean, amazing, guys, seriously amazing. So yeah, you click on this puppy, shop now, and I will show you there are no taxes. Again, this is telling you to buy the SD card. We don't need it. Like a care refresh is basically like an insurance. We don't need it. And of course it added successfully. I'm just going to type any address or something. But yeah, look at that. So $309. It says tax calculated at checkout. Well, there is no tax. Now that's the, awesome part. So continue as a visitor. I'll just type anything. I don't know, YouTube at yahoo.com. I don't care. But yeah, here you can see, there you go. No taxes, but I'm going to just type anything. I don't know, YouTube 444 or whatever, 111 South. I'm just typing any address just to kind of show you guys. I'll just type Omaha, the Nebraska state. There you go, 68142. But yeah, look at that. I just did the whole address. But yeah, this is your total, guys. $309. Like I said, there is no taxes. I mean, you might be thinking it's funny that I'm talking about taxes a lot, but again, $20, $30 just adds up, especially when you're buying, the $300 drone. But $309 free shipping, and you just simply have to type your card information or PayPal or whatever. If you want, you can have a signature delivery by paying $5 extra. I didn't do it. They just simply delivered to my porch, and also they took a picture and stuff. But yeah, that's it, guys. Here you can see straightforward $309. That's beautiful drone. But yeah, that's it, guys. All right, welcome back, guys. So yeah, now let's do the unboxing without wasting too much time. I know you guys may be waiting for, but yeah, as you can see, beautiful seal. I have not even opened it, and I'm very freaking excited. As you saw my last video of buying the Chinese drone, I was just done, man. I mean, that thing was saying freaking 8K, and when I got the drone, that freaking drone is not even high definition. I mean, it was pathetic camera, and I'm like, you know what? Let's spend a little extra money. You're gonna buy a brand new, but at least something in a budget. I know it's still quite pricey, but hey, you're buying DJI. DJI stuff is quite expensive. but I'm buying a Fly More combo, which is, I think, I don't know, retail is maybe $400 or something, but this is still very good price for a refurbished unit from DJI, seal pack, no taxes, free shipping. I mean, I think this is a deal. All right, so yeah, I removed this little baggie from all around. Okay, so the very first thing we see is beautiful looking this baggie. All right, nothing in the box, as you can see. Wow. Okay, what I like about this bag is look at the chain. It's like the chain is even their brand name. It's not they're buying the bag from some Chinese other company. I know it's a Chinese brand, but look at that. Even chain says DJI. Wow, very nice packing. I mean, who can say it's a refurbished unit, guys? It's a freaking brand new unit, right? I don't know why they're even selling this as refurbished. This is not refurbished in my opinion. I don't know, but hey, that's why I'm doing this. So my goal is to show you what to expect from refurbished unit, right? All right, look at that. All right, so that's your main puppy. Yeah, look at that, guys. I mean, who can say this is a freaking used or open box? You know what? I mean, I do see a very little dirt here. Now, I don't know if this is truly open before. I don't know. I mean, see the blades or the props looks like, I mean, clearly new. The only thing is I see a minor, you know what, maybe it's just a bag little fiber. I don't think, I'm just looking for some sort of like a little dust or something so I can say, hey, this been used before or this was a true open box. That's what I'm looking for, by the way. All right, that's a remote or whatever the controller you can say. Yeah, I mean, I don't think it's used, guys. It's not used at all. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, I don't think it's used at all. I don't know why they're selling this as refurbished. I mean, this puppy is not refurbished based on what I can see clearly. I mean, again, this is your controller. Okay, they give you this. What is that? Okay, just some papers, instructions and things like that. I'll put this on this side. What is, I would think it's a charger. Yep. Excuse me. Wow, that's heavy. Okay, well, that also has a battery. That's why it's heavy. Wow, beautiful. Beautiful is what I call this, guys. All right, so these are the batteries. How do I remove it? Okay, so yeah, this is your two-way DJI Mini two-way charging hub. So yeah, these are the extra batteries. So yeah, 2 extra batteries, and I believe one is in here. So yeah, 2 extra batteries, and here is your charge controller. Wow, look at that. Okay, another thing I never knew, even the adapter says DJI. Look at that. Hopefully you can see that. I did not know that their adapter even says DJI. Wow, it's not like they bought from somewhere else. And I can tell you the config. Hopefully you can see that too. Okay, so the adapter says, guys, output of course 5 volt 3 amp, 9 volt 2 amp, or 12 volt 1.5 amp. Yeah, I mean, literally DJI adapter Gen 1. It says Dongguan Ojai Power Technology, authorized by SZ DJI Technology. So yeah, it's freaking Gen 1 stuff, guys. Okay, these are a bunch of cables for the controller to your phone. And there is one more cable. Yeah, this one is your basically charging cable. But yeah, nothing else in this box. So that's it. All right, little silicone, little thing for the moisture. There's some stuff here. Let's see what we got in here. Okay, so that's where we have extra props. Extra little sticks for this puppy. And let's take out everything. Yeah, extra props. So yeah, so we have 6. So yeah, we have what, 6 or something. No. Well, actually, oh, so we have 3 different full pair or something, looks like. So yeah, one has 4. So we have total of 6 props. Yeah, so no, sorry, not 6. So 4 into 3 is 12. So we have total of 12 props. So yeah, that's awesome. So one comes here. And again, if you look up these on DJI website, I believe they're charging $10 for just one of these. So the fact they're giving you, again, $30 worth of props. Of course, that's just a screwdriver. Again, battery, I believe it's $40-50 for the brand new one, but you can buy refurbished on eBay or so that's selling DJI directly for $27. So yeah, you do the math, guys. If you buy these two alone, you're talking like $50-55 just for the batteries. Now this combo, this little thing, this charger is like let me think, $39. Yes, $39 with free shipping. And again, if you buy this on DJI directly, no taxes. Again, that's only for Nebraska. So I don't know whatever the states you're living in, they may be charging taxes, but I'm just talking for Nebraska. $39 free shipping, no taxes. So yeah, 40 and 50. So this is alone $100, right? So if I buy this combo, you know, you're saving already a lot. You're getting a bag. What else? I think that's it. Bag and I guess a little bit saving here. But this is a Fly More combo. And also this is a Mini 2. That's not Mini 2 SE. I also did a lot of research on this drone before I purchased. If you guys are looking, I would highly recommend go with Mini 2. Don't go for Mini 2 SE. Don't go for SE. There are a couple of things I would highly recommend going with this one, not the SE, because this one does 4K videos. The other one does 2.7K, which I'm sure is still freaking clear, amazing, awesome, you know. But this one does 4K. Second thing is this does the, you know, when it comes to signal from your phone to, or your controller to your drone, this has what they call OS sensor or something. They said this is far better range than just a Wi-Fi one. So all the expensive one, you know, they use a similar technology when it comes to like signal. So this has far more signal than your SE. There are other benefits as well, but these were the two major ones that basically tell me, hey, I'm sold to this puppy, I'm gonna go buy this one. I'm not going to buy the other one. So I would highly recommend, if you guys are interested in buying a drone, follow my instruction. Again, it's not a sponsored video. I'm not getting any penny. I'm not saying, hey, use my link and use this link. You know, it's all up to you guys. I'm just sharing my research that I have done to buy this drone. And I'm just sharing honest opinion with you guys. Hey, if you're looking for a drone, I think this is the best deal. $309 and no taxes, free shipping. I got it in literally two days or so delivered to my house. So anyway, guys, I hope you guys learned something new from my video. Again, beautiful drone. I'm gonna do the pairing and stuff. Again, this is not a technical video. I just wanted to show you an unboxing of this drone so you can learn something new and maybe order this if you're looking to buy this one. So yeah, guys. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you think you learned something new, I would appreciate if you can subscribe my channel and like this video. And keep watching. I will be coming back with more and more newer content. Maybe I can make some videos on how this puppy flies. Maybe I'll show you, you know, city of Omaha where I live in. Maybe I can show you some stuff around. I don't know. This is my first time I will be flying DJI drone. So I'm very excited. So yeah, I will be showing you some stuff maybe in future videos. So yeah, do follow me if you're interested in similar content. But yeah, thank you for watching, guys. I will see you in the next video. Peace out and have a great day.